Hey y'all, what's up? My name is Gail and today I'm going to do a little bit of a cleanup. If you saw on one of the previous videos where I had updated my desk, I'm still on vacation, so it's time for me to clean this mess, and I will show you kind of what I'm looking at and what you'll see later when I'm done. Also, I have a few orders that I've got to pull and pack and get shipped out the door today. So that's kind of what we'll be doing. I will have the budget video coming up. Stay tuned for that. I haven't recorded it yet. I will probably before the week's up, so stay tuned on that. If you're not already subscribed, don't forget to do that and click the notification bell so you will get a notification once I put those videos up. Okay, so let's get into this video. I do want to mention that normally on Thursday nights, I do a listing live, and I had all intentions to do it until this morning when I realized it's New Year's Eve. So I'm not going to do it. I am going to celebrate that with my boyfriend. So I'm putting this video up today for you guys. I worked hard and now I get to play hard tonight. So I hope you all enjoy this video. Let's take a look at what I'm dealing with right now so you can kind of see what I'm working with, and then you'll be able to see the before and after. When I walk in, this is what I see. This is relatively okay. I'm working on my budget here. But the cat pile that she's walking on, that is actually stuff that I need to go through because of my filing cabinet was emptied out and I'm eliminating it. I've got to figure out where to put this. And this has a little bit of inventory, but just Christmas gifts and things like that that kind of got thrown in here that I need to clean up. And then over here is a tote that I need to put away in some inventory I either need to list or put in my to be listed items. And right here is coffee, because coffee's always first. Yes. Tell me if you like coffee. Do you like it just black? Do you put stuff in it? I drink it black. I also drink instant coffee. So what's your favorite coffee? Let me know in the comments below. And I'm going to get into this cleanup. I tell you what, cleaning and organizing has turned me into a hot mess. While I'm doing that, it's a little afternoon, so I'm going to go ahead and talk about a couple items that sold. One is this Excedrin migraine. It is a 3-pack of 2 caplets each. And I got these from the Dollar Tree because I'd seen someone had said it was a good idea. And I listed 5 packs. So I sold these on eBay for $16.50, all 5 boxes. I paid the shipping. So the shipping's probably going to be about $3.50. So that leaves $13, and I'm $5 in to my cost on that. And then that leaves $8, I think, profit, which isn't terrible, but it did take a while to sell. And I have another set of 5 boxes. So I just got 2 sets just to test the market. I spent $10. I've almost made my money back buying the 2 sets, and I still need the other one to sell. So I won't do that again, but it did sell actually to someone less than an hour from me. I don't know if they know they can go to the Dollar Tree or not. And then on eBay, I sold this Crest 3D White Luxe toothpaste. I got it in an Wholesale Ninja Health and Beauty palette. I paid $1.42 was my average cost per item in that palette. I did sell it for $8.75, and I pay the shipping, so there's really not much money to be made in this. And I just need to unload it, so it's probably $1.02 profit, but whatever, right? So like reality for you guys, I need to come clean. I have not been listing items for sale because it's been Christmas. I've had family over and I'm just not feeling it. And I need to feel it, if you know what I'm saying, because the sales are struggling because of it. So today I did end a couple of listings on eBay and modify them a little bit and relist them. I've got to get these packaged up, which will be easy, and ship those out. I'm still working on my office. So yeah, just so you'll know, if you don't list, you don't sell. Sales are pretty slow, and that's why I need to get on my butt and list. I'm working on the room. Let me show you what I've done so far. It takes a mess to make a mess. You know what I'm saying? This is looking better. I've got stuff for charity. I've got stuff to file. That's all I'm keeping between that and this right here. That's mortgage paperwork. But yeah, so that is, you know, I'm just kind of stacking things. Like I need to take that to the garage. I need to get rid of that for charity. This is craft stuff, diaries, that sort of thing that I kind of want to sort out and just kind of lay it out before I start running all over the place to organize. This is looking a little bit better. Really, these are just things that need to be listed. So I just have to get them all together and actually list them. I am making progress, but it's kind of slow. It takes a while when you're going through paperwork. I still have this stuff here on top of this, which is my full-time job related. And then that is kind of a combo stack of work and personal stuff. So I have to figure out what to do with this. It's on wheels. It doesn't roll that well, but I need to do something with it because it has all the stuff that I use, like extra tape, cleaning equipment for shoes, that sort of thing. So it's a good tool to have. I just got to figure out where I want to put it. So that's what I'm working on. So stay tuned. We'll keep moving on this. Before the day is over, this place will be magical. This is taking a lot longer than I thought because I had 3 bags of trash, 2 things of shredded stuff. Let me show you what I got so far. I separated that unit there, and then I put the other 2 top ones there. I'm not real sure that's going to work. I'm going to move the head into that bin, but I'm not sure that's going to work. It just looks like too much for me. Yes, this is looking good. All that stuff there is to be listed. I've pared down that stack by half already. And I just gotta store this stuff. So I'm almost done. I know it doesn't appear like I'm almost done, but I am. Also, I was watching one of Harry Tornado's videos and he was talking about some LED lights that he got. So I clicked on the link and I was like, yeah, those are pretty cool. So I might get those instead of using my beauty light that I have because it takes up a lot of space. The ones he had were on tripods, so I looked at the things that other buyers looked at buying, and I found some that clip on the table. It's a set of 3 for $60, so I might do that. I don't really need it, but you know, if I get them, I might wait till the 1st of next year to kind of help with my business expenses. I'm gonna finish this up, and the next time I show up on this video is when I show you the end result and close out this video. I'm ready for the big and final reveal. This is difficult because I don't have a lot of storage space in this office, but I made it work and I committed to putting stuff in the garage where my inventory goes. So take a look and let me know what you think. Coming into the office, over here is my bookshelf that I've showed before. And I'm gonna keep that mail bin there just because it's really convenient to put the mail that's outgoing there. And this hasn't changed. This station hasn't changed either. This is all of my mail items, all of the envelopes that I use to ship stuff out. I've got my measuring tape, my thank you stickers, and I've got a few notebooks there and all my tapes. This is my shipping station. Below that are boxes that need to be used for shipping. And I put the bubble mailer there and my craft paper there. And then this is just a couple of items that I have to list. I was going to take it to the garage, but I needed to make sure I list them. This is for the cats. So this is my photography station right now. The table's bigger, and yeah, so it's all cleaned off. And below that is similar to what I had before. To be listed, some in there is to be listed, but also accessories for photographing jewelry and a bin of items that I recently listed. And the tall gray unit I split into 2, so I put half down here, and this is the part that's on rollers. This is on the cleaning gear for shoes and such, bags and other stuff for packing plates. And back there is just some bags, extra bags, and in here is a bag of all of my air pillows and such. And then this is where I put the second half, the top half. So I put my head in there, and the flowers that I use for photographing jewelry. And then this is just some accessories and these little mailing things, just a couple little things. And I put this printer that I don't use very often up here. It was originally here, so I just kind of basically stack up. And I put my Dynamo printer up here. So this is about chest high. I don't want to go any higher than that, but it's a good use of space going vertical. There's my shipping station. This is my 2-tiered laptop section that I had showed in another video. And this is my workspace for the desk. This is that notepad that I use often. Yeah, so that's pretty much it. And I got my trash can down there, my microphone that I've never used there, and that is it. So the only thing I haven't cleaned up is this shelf, and that's because it's just some work stuff, some mess stuff, and I really am tired. So let me know what you think about this cleanup. I kind of like it. I mean, I do like it. And who doesn't like a clean workspace, right? I just hope that it works for me because I've tried this before unsuccessfully and it always ends up a mess. So maybe with this bigger, longer desk and the laptop not having to be moved a lot, maybe it will work for me. Fingers crossed. Let me know what you think in the comments. I appreciate you stopping to watch this video. Click here if you haven't subscribed. You can also click below, like if you haven't already, because it does help the YouTube algorithms. And I'll put a playlist right here of all of my resale vlogs that I have done recently. I hope you guys have a happy new year. God bless.